In this video, I'm going to tell you how you can visualize your affirmations and your goals in a proper way to make sure you manifest them in real life. And also, I'm going to share one visualization book with you ladies, which contains the process and it contains all the general affirmations. Not really, they're not really general, but they are actually so easy and helpful to you in your daily life, kind of like reminders to strengthen your faith on God or on universe, right? To improve your relationship with universe so that you can manifest things faster and you can manifest an easier and happier life. Plus, it will also have some sections to write down your own goals. I will also guide you in this video how you can write down your goals. That will make your visualization process much easier, right? So, it will contain 4 sections: health, wealth, personal relationships, and career or purpose, because these are the 4 important aspects of any human. And if you're not fulfilled in any one or multiple of these aspects, you will not really be happy, right? So, let's get started. What usually happens is people write down the affirmations like I'm this, I'm that. Maybe if you want to lose weight, I have lost weight, I have lost 10 kgs, or I'm awesome, I'm a stronger person, I have a lot of money. These are all general affirmations. They don't really work. You just keep saying these every single day, but they don't really give you result, and one day you just give up on that. You just give up on the mindset work, you just give up on the affirmations, saying that it really doesn't work because I don't see anything happening in my life, right? Then you go back to your mediocre life, losing all hope of creating something new for yourself, upgrading yourself. Maybe you'll start thinking that I'll live my life, rest of my life being middle class. Maybe it has to be this way. Maybe I'll live rest of my life being fat and unhealthy because I don't find any way. Affirmations are not working for me. The things, the dieting or whatever I did is not working for me. So maybe this is it, right? That is the worst or hopeless state of being, and which is not true. That's not who you truly are. If you really feel that drive inside that you can take control of your life and make things happen, then this is how you need to visualize or write down your goals and affirmation. So the first thing, you need to create your visualization book. You need to write down your affirmations, your important goals. I'm going to tell you how to write them exactly. So for that, you don't need to create it from scratch. I have created it for you. It is free book. I'll link it down below this video. You can sign up for free and it will get sent to your email. Now, the first thing you need to do is you need to write down your goals in all 4 aspects of your life: health, wealth, relationships, career, or purpose, right? And you need to write them in a way that it has already happened. So, if you want to recover from some health issue, suppose it is PCOS, you're suffering from PCOS or thyroid, you need to write down that I am completely free of PCOS or I'm completely free from thyroid. Or you can also write down in a way that I am getting better, getting healthier day by day, right? Because if you say that I no longer have PCOS, this sentence may work for some people, but it may not work for other people, right? So you need to write down a sentence which evokes those positive emotions in you, which tells you, which makes you visualize, what if this happens? How would I feel? Right? So for me, what I wrote down for myself for so many years is my metabolic rate is fast now. See, I have always been fat since childhood. If you know me, if you know my story, and I always wanted to lose weight as long as I remember. It is now that I have been able to manifest the fast metabolism. So when I wrote down this goal for myself that I have fast metabolism, it didn't really spark any emotion in me. It was just like a sentence. I would read it and just forget it, right? It didn't make any difference. I did not manifest the fast metabolism. So what I did is I wrote down a sentence that my metabolic rate is improving day by day, right? And I would also add sentence that I no longer gain weight even if I eat some extra food, or I eat something out of diet. I wrote this down. Now this is realistic for me. Now this is helping me to visualize the reality, right? And when along with the goals and affirmations, when you actually add emotions to it, when you are able to visualize it, then it increases the chances of it manifesting in your life. So, my friend, if you want to manifest your goals desperately, you need to write them down in a way that they have already happened. Those sentences need to have more details so that it is easy to visualize. Plus, it needs to strike that positive emotion. What if this happens? Second thing you need to do is you need to visualize them by actually meditating on them. So you have read your document, you read your visualization book, and now it's time to actually visualize it. Send that positive energy, send that thought out in the universe so that universe starts working on it. The universe starts creating a plan to make it happen in reality, right? So what you need to do is, once you have written down all the goals, once you are able to once you are able to formulate the sentences which strike emotions in you, and it's not that difficult, right? You don't need to be expert in anything, in grammar or anything. You just need to write the sentences in your own words, right? Stop copying other people, stop taking or downloading affirmations from here and there, because these are your personal goals. These will affect you personally, so you need to write them down in your own way, in your own words, right? So the second thing you need to do is you need to meditate on these goals. You need to visualize in your meditative state, right? So how to go into meditative state? It's very easy. You just need to turn on the meditation music on YouTube or Spotify, wherever, and you need to lie down or relax in a chair. You need to take deep breaths, 3 to 5 deep breaths. Take deep breath in, fill your stomach, fill your chest with air, and long breathe out. Do this, repeat this for 3 to 5 times, and slowly start to relax your body from top to bottom. Relax your face, relax your neck, relax your chest, your shoulders. Relax your whole body from top to bottom, and focus on your breathing. Try to let go of any thoughts in your mind, right? And after that, pick one aspect of your life, for example health, and visualize your goal as if you have already achieved them. So if you wanted to lose weight, imagine that you have already lost weight. Try imagining that you're looking at yourself in the mirror, maybe wearing that little black dress which has been sitting there in your closet for so many years, and you have not been able to wear that because you never lost that weight. Try imagining yourself wearing that, how you look, how you feel about yourself, how energetic you feel, how light you feel, what people around you are saying about you, how enjoyable this weight loss process is. Maybe you're enjoying eating healthy food, maybe you're enjoying doing exercises. See, it may not be believable right now, but you just need to be a bit delusional here. Otherwise you'll always be looking at the current reality, and you will always be manifesting the same things. We don't want to do that. We want to be a bit delusional, right? We want to imagine, visualize, and feel that positivity inside. How does it feel when I achieve this goal, right? So in a similar way, you need to visualize each aspect of your life: health, wealth, relationship, and career or purpose. Imagine your goals, visualize your goals, add those details, let yourself be delusional, so that you will send those vibes out in the universe, and universe starts to work on a plan. Now, the third thing, very important thing that many people miss to do, many people are lazy to do, is take action. See, affirmation, visualization are fine. They are important things, important steps. But if you miss this action step, you will not receive anything. You will not manifest anything. Then you will go back to your life again, feeling hopeless that this doesn't work. Maybe it doesn't work for me, whatever it is that you think, right? It's because you do not take action. Because see, whenever you put out a thought that I want this in my life, universe has already started. Even after just the first thought that you created, you have not even yet visualized it properly through meditation, but universe has always already started to create a plan to make it happen in your life. But you need to understand, you receive from universe through action you take. So you're not receiving it. Universe is trying to give you what you want, but you're not receiving it because you're not taking action. You're just sitting there meditating in your chair, and that's it. You don't take any action. How will you receive it? See, if you order some parcel from Amazon, you have to open the door and receive the parcel, right? Otherwise, how would you get it? You understand that the universe works similar way. You have to take action, no matter however small the action is. Even if you think that I don't know the what the action needs to be, you still take whatever you can. You still do whatever you can. You take the smallest action. For example, my clients started to do exercises just for 5 minutes. They didn't feel the energy to do it. They didn't feel the willingness to do it because they were very lazy. According to them, they were very lazy. They did not have time. So I asked them to just do exercise for 5 minutes. And once they started to take the action, they automatically felt energized, and they automatically manifested time. And now they are in love with exercises. They cannot be without it. This is how universe works. It works in mysterious ways. So you just need to follow these steps. And the last and important thing, the fourth point, is you need to surrender. See, we do all kinds of stuff, especially if you're a woman who is very smart and driven. You know that you can, you have this confidence that you can manifest anything you want, you can achieve anything you want, right? I also had that confidence, but you know the downside of this confidence, that we try to control everything. We want to make things happen according to us. We don't even try to think that maybe whatever that I'm trying to achieve is not really good for me, right? Because we have decided, now our ego says that I want to achieve this and I will achieve it somehow. This is what our confidence says, right? But many times you need to understand that universe has a better plan for us, which we were not able to think of. That's why you need to surrender to universe. You need to let go of the thought, is it working or not? Because what happens is, if you start taking these actions, you have created your visualization book, you have meditated, visualized all your goals, and now you're taking action. You immediately start analyzing, is it working or not? Do I have to change my action? Is universe giving it or not? What is taking so long, right? And that way you mess up your own energy and you never receive what you asked for. That's why, my friend, you just need to keep taking action. You need to keep visualizing things without expecting things. Only when you stop expecting things, only when you stop judging things, only when you stop judging the universe, then you will be able to manifest it effortlessly in your life. So, important fourth point is surrender to universe. You just keep taking action without expecting anything, and you will soon receive more than expected. That's a guarantee of universe.